Hey there YouTube, this is SJM4306 and it's another mail bag box, whatever you want to call it. Just got home from work, so if I sound a little tired, it's because I'm tired. Anyway, I already opened this up, so unfortunately I can't show you the unboxing, but I got an amazing deal. So I saw this guy up for 30 bucks. It was a listing and no one else bid on it, and I just put in the lowest amount. The starting bid was at 30 bucks, and I just won it. So absolutely crazy. This is a laser pico projector, and we can turn this on. This is a microvision. It's WVGA resolution, so not great, but it never needs focusing because, well, it's always in focus because it's a laser basically that scans left and right and up and down, and it's yeah, an RGB laser basically. So it has individual red, green, and blue things. You can see that kind of weird shimmer in real life that doesn't show up. And it's a little blurry because it's on the ground, obviously. You can see it's a lot sharper if I put my hand there. But yeah, anyway, it's a laser pico projector. This one is 15 lumens. Has a battery that lasts about an hour and a half. So yeah, and it came with a VGA cable as well as additionally a cable for an iPod or an iPod Touch, whatever iPad. So no, yeah, all in all, pretty good buy. Save 30 bucks for a Show W. What was it? Show WX Plus. This is their second gen one. They do have a third gen kind of model with the HDMI port on the side, but those are pretty much impossible to find. Anyway, I'm speaking very fast. So next up is TKDA178. I don't even know what that is. So it's something, and I don't know what this is. I don't remember. I order a lot of stuff, so let's see. I was actually expecting these. Wow, these are... There we go. Okay, these are boost converter modules, and they are apparently MT... Oh, I cut myself. Anyway, yeah, so these are apparently MT3608s. These are boost converter modules. It's basically voltage in, voltage out is higher than voltage in, and then you can tweak this potentiometer there to adjust it. And these are, I think, spec'd at like 3 amps. I read something, though, they did a test of these, and they pretty much maxed that at like 2 amps. But still not bad. Definitely pretty useful to have if you need a little bit higher voltage, and they're pretty small, too. And they're pretty beefy. 2 amps at like, I don't know, like 6 watts, something like that. Not bad. Anyway, I have another package. This one is DZ009. Wow, these descriptions really aren't cutting it today. And I'm saving the last, well, the most important thing, the most interesting thing for last. Hopefully that'll be a repair. We'll take a look at it real quick in this video, and if it can't be fixed easily, then we'll extend it. Anyway, this is, just put a little, there we go. Wait, what? There's only one. It's stuck in here. Okay. I was going to say, that would make no sense. Okay, so this is actually one of those USB serial, like serial EEPROM readers and writers. So you put your dip chip in here, and then it'll actually flash it for you. And let's see, yeah. There's spots on the underside if you wanted to either hold on a SMD chip, or it comes with this handy little adapter too that you can press the chip against, or solder it if you wanted to. I don't know why you'd want to solder it to the adapter, but anyway, and then you solder these headers onto the bottom like so that it can just press in, and then you lock it in. So yeah, this will be useful in the future. It was dirt cheap. This was like $2 or something. So yeah, and these boost converters were like also maybe $1.50, $2. So all in all, cheap and hopefully useful in the future. I'm getting more into like programming serial flash chips and whatnot with the Arduboard projects and whatnot for the serial flash cards. So I thought this might be useful to analyze. And we have this here, and let me just open this off camera so you don't see my shipping address. Ta-da! Okay, this it came with a case too. Nice. Is yet another mini disc player. So I have one of these guys already in black, but I remember when I was a kid, I always wanted the blue one. And this is in pretty nice condition, actually. Wow. It's not bad at all. Yeah, everything. I mean, this looks a little gummed up. It's just dirty. I think that'll clean off with isopropyl. But yeah, no major scratches. It's cold because it's cold out. But yeah, pop this open. It came with a disc. 74-minute. Oh, hoping for an 80-minute. And I have what is this? Celine, Decade of Song, Palio Rubio, Christina Aguilera. So, yeah, I'm probably going to overwrite this. But I wanted to see if this works because it was sold as is, not working. So just grab a AAA battery. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yes. The battery contacts on there are really crusty on the positive side. So I'm going to guess it's not even going to turn on at all with this. You can just scrape it. This isn't held right. Yeah. Yeah, it's not doing anything. So what I'm going to do is grab the AC adapter and see if it powers on. $20 says it powers on, which is actually the exact price I paid for this. The seller was put this for $30 and I put an offer for $20 and he accepted, which is a good price for. This is definitely a solid player. So let me just grab the AC adapter and see if this works. If it does, then this won't be a repair video. If not, then we're gonna try to fix it. Okay, so have my 3-volt AC adapter. Let's see if it'll turn on. What do you know? Ooh, that's making some sounds. It's not so great. But it does read the disc. Let's see. Huh, now it sounds okay. It was making some kind of scratching sounds like the gears were out of alignment, which could have just been because this was tossed around in the mail and it needed to reseat the little gears or something like that. But yeah, it seems to play right up. There's pretty much absolutely no problem. Just skip through a couple songs to make sure that the mechanics are working. Yeah, seems to skip very quickly, so this is an LP4 disc after all. Let's see, are there any discs or any groups? Yeah, they actually put all these in groups. Yeah, I would say that the laser's working just fine. I can read. I'm going to test the audio out on my own because this is all probably copyrighted stuff, so don't really want to mess with that. We're going to go to the end and see if we can record. So it says it's recording, but who knows until we actually go to play it back. So it's track 63. I'm going to let it run for maybe like 15 seconds. And then hit stop. It's writing the TOC. And it ended. Now if we turn it off, pull power, then repower it. If track 63, which is a 15-second track, is there, then that means recording works perfectly as well. We'll just do end search. Ah. So there we go. Let's see. there you go. So recording works on this guy too. So yeah. So pretty much I got a fully working, another one of these. I have a black one. Here, give me a second, I'll grab it. Yep, and here we are. So yeah, I have the little dock for it too. And it'll just fit like that. And so now I have two of these. I have this black one, which I got years and years ago. I think I paid more for this. This came with like the dock and a remote control and all the accessories and a couple discs. I think I paid about $50 for this, maybe 3 or 4 years ago, 40 or 50. And this guy just paid 20 for just for the unit with the beat up case. Yeah, leather's starting to fall apart. So this case is probably a write-off, but it came with a free disc and it works. I just need to clean the contact there. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed me rambling about random mail that I received, well, in the mail. And I'll see you guys later. Bye.